Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today is the second month. We got a whole year of subscription to KiwiCo. So last time I reviewed the first month, I'll link it up top so you can go check it out. And this month we got this koala crate and what is this? Space Search. So according to this, it has a sensory box, sensory stuffy wooden ball, sticker sheet, a bunch of goodies. There's a magazine inside. Well, anyway. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, so the cheapest way to get this will be the annual subscription. But there are ways to save even more. So after I'm done unboxing this, I'll show you how you can save beyond just to get the annual subscription. So that way, why we want to pay the full price, right? So anyway, so here we go. We have Space Search, Discover Search. Ooh, I really like their books. It goes well with all the toys that they provide. So it's good addition to whatever the kid is playing. As a parent, you really want the toys and the accessory, the books to attach to everything that the kid is playing. So there's a continuity to it, right? So anyway, there's some toys here. It looks like stickers, color. Oh, okay, I guess this is what they call the sensory box. Alright, there's a ball in here, and that's it. So anyway, let me go set this up for my kid, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now, another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now, I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey, on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much. It's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, now this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. All right, let's talk about the gameplay. This particular crate does require some assistance from the parents. First, you need to set up the sensory box for the kid. There is an orientation of how this sensory box need to be set up. The visible sun, moon, planet, star, rocket, those need to be faced out once the sensory box has been set up. If you do see that up top, then you need to flip the entire box upside down. I strongly suggest you to semi-fold the box first before you assemble it. Once you have assembled this, just make sure all the side is lined up. That way the box is perfectly fitted. Now next, you're gonna put the sensory stuffies inside the box. So then your kid can stick their hand into the box and pull out whichever one that's corresponding to the picture on the box, such as sun, the moon, the planet, the star, or the rocket. So this whole setup is to help the kid to develop their sensories. So the stuffy themselves are soft on the outside, but once they squeeze it, they feel kind of crunchy on the inside. And also, if the kids start messing around with the sensory box, they will find that the Velcro makes a sound once they pull open the box. So it's an interesting take to develop kids' sensory. Now, another game that's included is to paint the stickers. Now, how you're gonna start with this is actually use the koala crate, that's the box itself. You peel back the sticker sheet. So the whole sheet can be laid down flat onto the inside of the crate. What you need to do next is to use the spatula and the paint pots to spread the paint on top of the sticker sheets. Of course, this can be getting a little bit messy, but just watch your kid while you are playing with them and make sure the paint doesn't go everywhere. And once you are done, what you're going to do next is to take the wooden ball that's provided and put inside the crate and close the crate and then shake it. So that way the paint will go all over the place. Once you open it up, the ball itself will cover by the paint, and also the sticker sheets will be covered as well. Now what's interesting next is to let the paint dry. We let it dry overnight, and in the next day morning, all the stickers are dry and the ball was dry as well. Once the paint is dry, then you can peel off the stickers and help your kid to tape it onto the sensory box. So that way there's more gameplay there. And that really helped to engage the kid quite a bit, and especially give him a sense of accomplishment at the end. Now, KiwiCo does provide you with even more space shape on their website, so you can download that, and if you have a sticker sheet, then you can probably create more stickers with the method they provided. Right, so let's talk about what I like and dislike about this particular crate. It does utilize everything that they are provided this time. I really like that. Well, there's almost no waste to what they have sent us this time around, and also I like the fact that this particular crate does help to develop kids' sensory and kind of giving a different feeling of the stuff that he is touching, especially the painting part. My kid liked to paint, and so it's definitely a plus for him. And also the book, he really liked the series of the koala bear with his friends. So that's always a plus. Once he noticed there's a new book, he wants to read it for him. So that's always a good thing for the kid to like learning. All right, so let's talk about what I don't like about this particular crate. The sensory box is a nice touch, but it used cardboard box. So that means over time it will lose its agility to even remain shaped as a box. It would be nice if they use some kind of harder material, so then the box can last for a longer period of time for the kid to play. Especially when kids at this age, they play kind of rough. They might even just step on the box and that's it, there goes the box itself. Unless you want to use some kind of material to hold the box in shape even after the box is being damaged. So the box itself is not that user-friendly, especially for kids who like to play rough. And the second thing I don't like about it is this crate does require painting. So as parents, you do need to be mindful of where your kid is playing this. Since they have this box set up for you, so you just need to keep an eye on your kid when they are painting the sticker sheet. So things can get messy if you don't keep an eye on your kid. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.